And extend your arms, locking out your arms. You can hold this position for 30 seconds or longer, or you can go in where you're doing sets, holding for 5 to 10 seconds, then coming out of it. Lying on the floor with your knees bent, try to tilt your pelvis in towards the floor. You're turning on your transverse abdominals, where you're trying to pull your belly button in towards your spine and then lift it up underneath your rib cage. Start in the same position you would do for the pelvic tilt, but now you're going to lift your backside off the floor, moving one vertebrae at a time as you lift up, starting with your lumbar vertebrae, moving into your thoracic, then finishing at the top. Then as you come down, you're trying to move in the same kind of manner. We're going to do a cat pose. This is normally a cat-cow pose, but we don't want to go into the cow pose because that puts extension in your back, which will cause you pain. So you're trying to lock out your elbows and lift your belly button up towards your spine, rounding your back. Similar to the pelvic tilt, you want to move one vertebrae at a time in each segment. As you go down towards the floor, keep your legs locked out. Try to place one vertebrae on top of the other as you come to a standing position. So ideally you do the stretch on a physio bench, but if you don't have that, you can use a dining table or even just lie on your bed and hang your leg out to the side. We're using the weight of your leg to stretch out your hip flexor. If you feel any sharp pain in your lower back, I would like you to stop the stretch immediately.